Hello guys, in this video I'll share with you guys the best indicators as well as their setups that you can combine to see clear divergence while scalping the boom and crash 1000 index market. This strategy is very straightforward, very simple yet very powerful. You could make a lot of profits before you ever experience serious spikes in the market. Now, what are the indicators we are talking about? Let's get straight into it. What indicators are we talking about? Let's get straight into it. First of all, we are going to be adding the relative strength index to our chart. Period of 14 applied to close levels 70 and 30. For the levels, please change the style to a color that will be visible on your chart. All right, click done when you're done with that, and then for this page, make sure your style is the same color as the background of your chart. Click done and save that. And the next indicator is the moving average with the period of 1, shift 0, method simple, apply to first indicators data. Okay, so you're going to be using the first indicators data. So you're done with this, no levels are needed, you skip that. For styling, make sure you use a color that would be visible on your chart. You can see the color I'm using here. You can decide to change yours to whatever color that you like, but make sure it pops on your screen. Click done when you're done with that, and we have the setup ready. Like I said, it is very straightforward, so let's dive into it. First of all, we want to understand how to trade divergence. How does divergence really work? Basically, divergence occurs in the market when you see price moving to a certain direction while your indicators are pointing at an entirely opposite direction. That is showing you a signal that price is likely to reverse at that region, or there is likely to be a change of trend around that region. So how do we apply this to these setups? How do we find it on our chart using this strategy? Let's quickly look at the crash 1000 index market right now. So clearly you could see here that price was constantly pushing downwards at this level, whereas our indicator at that same level was showing that price was creating more of highs at that level. You can see here clearly that price was moving downwards while the indicator was showing us an entirely different thing, right? You can see here that the indicators were pointing to the upside, printing more of higher lows, whereas on our main window, on our main chart, price was printing more of lower lows. So that's a clear divergence there. Now there's a rule that I like to follow before making an entry. I want to see this happen on my RSI level, below level 30 of my RSI indicator here, right? So you see, when this whole thing happened, when the divergence here occurred, you can see that price was below the level 30, and then what I like to do again is wait for price to break above the level 30, and then I will enter a buy. Now for the crash 1000 index market, we are looking for buying opportunities. Okay, we are looking for buying opportunities in the crash 1000 index market. It works entirely different or entirely opposite for the boom 1000 index market. I'll try to show you guys how it works for the boom 1000 index market. So let me find more examples. This is another clear example. Notice how price was constantly creating lows at this level, right? Notice how price was constantly creating lows around that region, but then in the indicator window we were experiencing a divergence. The market was printing highs around that region. It was printing more of lower highs, right, around that region, and then this happened right below level 30 of our RSI, and then soon as price makes it above that level, then you could have a possible entry around that zone. And you can see how far it went up before the spike came in. Even the spike wasn't so strong to pull price too far, but then there was still enough room to take out a lot of profits from the market. So that's how divergence trading works. That's how simple it is. Let's look for an example on the boom 1000 index market. So I'll show you how it works for the boom 1000 index market. This time around, like I said, we are doing entirely opposite what we did on the crash 1000 index market. So now we are looking to sell. We are looking for a divergence to the downside where price will be reversing at an overbought region, right? We want to see price come to an overbought region and want to sell from there. So we hope to see it. Okay, this is a perfect example. This is a clear example. Now you can notice how price is printing more of higher highs and lower highs here on our main window. And then when it comes to the indicator area, we are seeing the opposite. You can see we are looking at the opposite at this region. And then this is happening above level 70 of our RSI. For the crash market, we're looking at below level 30 of our RSI. Now we are looking at above level 70 of our RSI. Okay, and then we need to see price pull back into the level and then drop from there. So if that happens, you'll be seeing a clear possible entry for a lot of profit. You can see how far down price came before there was ever a spike. You would have made a lot of profits, would have been out of the market before you know it. So this strategy is simple, it's effective. You just have to sit down and make sure you see this clearly on the chart. Always learn to trade what you see and not what you feel. Make sure you see clearly on your charts before you take any action. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope it helps improve your trading. If you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell, because we'll be posting more insights and strategies that will help facilitate your trading success. And if you are not part of our community, find the link in the description and join us for free. Be a part of what we have there. Our mentorship program is commencing soon. It's quite affordable. We want everybody to be a part of it. So you will learn how to navigate the market even without these indicators. It is the best way to trade though.